Hey folks, your OS Reviews. You're watching our video review of the Mediabridge smartphone Cradle with a long suction cup mount. This one is a universal mount that's going to fit any iOS, Windows, or Android smartphone with a width of 2 inches all the way up to 4 inches. So the manufacturer claims you can have a very rugged case on something like a Galaxy Note and it should still fit using this mount, which makes it great if you want to use it for navigational purposes. It also has a very long arm, which is a pro as well as a con, depending on what you are planning to use this particular mount for. So this one actually sells on Amazon.com for around $25, even though the MRSP is priced at $40, which is very expensive. $25 is a lot more reasonable. With that being said, there are cheaper options on the market, such as the Getron mount we also saw a few days ago. So looking at the box here, a pretty simple presentation. The suction cup is actually claimed to be very strong. There's also a pivot hinge which allows you to adjust the angle of your phone's display quite easily. And there's also some instructions on how to attach it, and the manufacturer claims again that the suction cup has more ridges, which makes the connection more strong with the glass or the windshield. So in here, we have access to the mount itself. There's also a quick start guide / warranty that tells you how to set things up. It's printed in full color, which is quite impressive. There's also the alcohol pad, which allows you to clean off the glass, as well as the suction cup each time that you need to install it, which is an extra I haven't really seen before. It shows quite a bit of detail from the manufacturer's part. Over here we have the portion that holds your smartphone into place, and this is the base which attaches onto your car. Taking a look at the smartphone holder first, it's primarily made out of plastic as well as some soft touch rubber, which prevents your phone from sliding out. You can see some accents along the sides. With that being said, the plastic here is a very glossy piano black surface, so it does attract quite a bit of fingerprints as well as dust if you use it constantly. It's pretty portable. It also feels rather nicely put together. On the back, there's a simple key that you can tap on to actually extend the lever. You can see it comes out on both sides and allows you to place your phone. Taking a look at the ergonomics, this barrel can be twisted to make the suction cup get tighter as well as looser. So if I kind of twist it inwards, you can see it's getting pulled to the center there, which allows me to get a more secure fit if I have it over here and the air is getting sucked in basically. And then I can also twist it the other way to release the suction cup and to make it more flat. I can also use this on a surface or a table if I need to do that, maybe when I'm indoors and still want to use this mount. The center here features a press key which I can tap on to change the angle up and down for your phone's display. And finally, there is another press key on here which allows you to change the left and right movement of your phone's display. For a brief size comparison, this is the Getron mount, which we also reviewed very recently. The arm here is a little bit longer, and this is the Koomus RoadPro mount, which is a lot smaller and more portable. So that's the two options that we have on hand at the moment. Next, we're going to give a quick demo of how the mount works once we put it into the car. The Mediabridge car mount, and I've attached it onto the windshield here, and the suction cup is doing a good job of preventing the phone from falling out. I can also change the orientation by twisting on the pivot hinge here, and it does a good job of, again, still staying in place. It's very secure. You can also change the orientation of your phone very nicely. You can also twist it and tilt the degree forwards or backwards so you can get a better field of view when you're driving for navigational purposes. You can use maps for turn-by-turn directions, and of course you can also use it for entertainment purposes, for passengers, for watching videos, or anything like that. So it certainly works very nicely. The Mediabridge smartphone Cradle might be our favorite universal car mount yet, just because it offers one of the most attention to detail that we've seen in a smartphone mount. For example, when not in use, these 2 feet can be tucked away. This kind of holds your smartphone into place for an even more secure fit. And then, of course, you can push the 2 arms inwards. It looks incredibly cool. The arm is also quite long. The suction cup is indeed very, very strong once you place it onto your dashboard or onto the windshield. And the entire look is also quite striking, even though it is a huge fingerprint magnet. So to learn more information about this mount, be sure to read our full RIN review. But this has been our video. Thanks for watching here at OS Reviews.